agency solicits for support, or the agency solicits support from the public. Which of the above expressions is correct? Well, let's dive deep into that. If you mean to ask for something or to request something, the thing requested should come directly after solicit. For instance, you have solicit plus something. That is the format. That is subject plus solicit plus object. So when you use solicit as a verb, it should be followed immediately or directly by what is requested. The reason is that solicit is a transitive verb, so a direct object must come immediately after it. So in that usage, you can have something like the organization solicited donations from the public. Or you can also have something like the school solicited financial support from parents. So in those two expressions, you can see that after solicited, what you have next is the object. What is requested, what is asked for, comes immediately after the word solicits or solicited. How about solicit for? Is it wrong? Is it actually wrong to say the agency solicited for support? Well, in standard English usage, it is absolutely wrong. Even though in some parts of the world, like Nigeria, West Africa, they use it in that way, solicited for support. But that usage in standard English is wrong, and in exam setting, it is also wrong. The reason is that, like I said, solicit is a transitive verb, so you don't need to use a preposition after it before the object. So what you have is solicit plus object, that is what is requested or what is asked for. But you can have something like, you can solicit someone for something. We are not saying you solicit for something, no. You can solicit someone for something. So for instance, you can say they solicited the public for donations. The agency solicited the public for donations. So you can solicit someone for something. You can solicit something for another thing. However, even in that usage, you can see that after solicited, the next thing you have is the public, which is the object. Like I said, in standard English usage and in exam setting, be sure you choose solicit without the preposition coming after it before the object. The object should immediately come after it. You need more English lessons? Check my next video.